Hello and welcome to the presentation on the topic Twitter Sentiment Analysis. We will go over this content. Let me introduce the team. My name is Suhail. My teammates are Karan, Juhail and Kenil. COVID-19 is on the rise again. Now for the governments and health officials to better manage the situation, we need information that is led by data. And how people perceive the lockdowns, vaccines, keywords like that. This application is one of the majorly used applications of NLP. We are using Python 3.7 with the help of TweetPy and TextBlob to develop this project.
So I will be covering the background study and related work part. So everyone knows about the Twitter, right? But let's get a quick overview of it. Twitter is a micro-logging network service which is founded in 2006, which allows users to share text known as tweets as well as links to other information such as photographs and website and articles. So there is a limit. So every tweet has a maximum length of 280 characters and it can include links to news articles, videos, photographs and can describe an event or people's opinion about an event or a person. A tweet can use hashtag to indicate the relevant topics also. Recent statistics shows that there are over 400 million active Twitter accounts with 500 million tweets sent every day. I think that's why Elon Musk wants to buy it. So let's back to the PPT. It is mathematically procedural analysis of people's thought and views which can be positive, neutral or negative regarding any products or events. It is known as sentiment analysis. So what is the basic purpose of sentiment analysis? It is to ensure the polarity of natural language by performing supervised or unsupervised classification depending on the situation. By classification of it, one can use this information for marketing of brand by influencing the consumer and companies, as well as by spreading useful information and exchange of positive or negative values. Sentiment analysis critically encourage organization to determine customers' like and dislike about products and company's image. In addition to this, it can play a vital role in analyzing data of industries and organizations to aid them in making business decisions. So in the real world, it is very useful. Also, the government can use these kind of information analysis for dealing with critical situation as it contains the citizens' reaction.
Hello guys, my name is Kenil and I will be covering the methodologies used in our project. In our project we have used TextBlob, and TextBlob is a package which uses a predefined category of words. These words can be uploaded from NLTK database. Moreover, sentiments are defined based on the relations and the frequency of each word in an input sentence. That allows more precise output as a result. The first step is accomplished by feeding the necessary input details. A user can obtain the sentiment scores in form of polarity and subjectivity that were discussed before. TextBlob's output is in form of polarity, just as I talked, within the range of -1 to +1, where -1 is a negative sentence and +1 is a positive. The score 0 can also be achieved, which stands it is a neutral evaluation, and the statement doesn't contain any words from the training set.
Welcome to the project demo. We have the Python script that will run. It says enter the keyword or the hashtag to search. We'll go with lockdown. And how many tweets do we need to analyze? We'll go with 100. So here is the results. We have negative at 22%, positive as 31%. This is in a pie chart. Next, the same data in another chart. Here is a glimpse of all the experiments that we ran.
Hello everyone, I will be covering the conclusion and future work of this presentation. To start with the conclusion, sentiment analysis help in better understand the overall view of the public towards any new policies or rules, which is fundamental step in understanding any situation. It helps in formulating guidelines to better adapt to the developing situation. For example, lockdown restrictions, mask mandates, vaccination certificates, but to name a few. It helps in understanding public opinion with regards to any specific policies or regulation. This can help to make any or all necessary changes to better adapt to any dire situation. This can also help in making changes to any existing portal or application to aid the public. For example, vaccination booking portals to book an appointment for a COVID dose. Additionally, it also helps to address any difficulty the individuals might be facing directly or indirectly due to the existing policies. For example, employment, quarantine, etc. Moving on to the future works, here are some of the things that we plan on improving as we move forward. Exploring other deep learning approaches that are available out there to compare the performances it provides with our existing model. Improve the model to better understand the complex literary sentences such as humor or sarcasm, which is usually responsible for incorrect prediction in natural language processing. Develop an application to make it accessible to the wider audience, especially for the people that are on the mobile devices. And finally, to expand our existing model to other social media platforms like Facebook to obtain a clearer picture regarding the particular situation.
This is the project link. Please feel free to scan it and browse through the code. Here are the references used. Thanks a lot for tuning in. If you have any questions or doubts, we'll be glad to answer them. Thank you.